You guys are so quiet, bro. It's insane.
Oh, it's because we're in the truck.
Guys, want to give me a thingy thing?
I mean, they're still here, but I mean...
They're hijacking one of the 25K trucks. You know? Oh, the big Group 6 truck? Oh. AC in the winter? Shut up. I get really sweaty when I stream. Watch the VOD the last 5 minutes? Okay.
I got no idea what's going on.
I love meta. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna use it. I'm just curious. I'll ask them what happened like later. 46. Like here? When you're both off stream and one-on-one in game, do you still RP or you can talk out of character? I still RP. Okay, well, me, I was just talking with like RP voice, but like less enthusiastic because I was just really tired. So like it's not like we're not allowed to talk out of character is what I'm trying to say.
What's interfering? We don't know. What the fuck is this?
I don't know who the.
What just happened? Is there someone inside of it?
What's interfering? We don't know. What the fuck is this?
I don't know who the fuck that was.
What?
Oh my
What
god.
is bullshit?
Wait, you can get it onto the tow
I think
truck
he's got a
when
turbo in
someone's
that thing
still
too,
in
so.
it? Okay, here.
Well, who is that fucking guy? Who's that random anyway? Yo.
Whoa, it's stuck.
Flip him again. Go.
This is so exciting. Oh yeah, I saw the train one. I'll play it on stream.
Yeah, on a turn.
Oh my god, this is so exciting.
Pull over, bitch ass. Pull over, motherfucker. Pull over, bitch. No lantern. Do not lantern.
Dude, he's so fucking fast.
Who are the people, like, they have 2 trucks, right? Like 2 towing trucks? Both towing trucks are all them?
Nah, he's not good. We're good.
Okay.
It's good.
Go ahead and main driving. Oh, cool.
Next turn he's done. He's doing straight because his motor is good. Acceleration, yo, his excel sucks and turning sucks. What I have to do is fucking get him on shorts. We got him.
Whoa!
He got lucky.
We met Mr. K yet? I met him yesterday very briefly when I was offline. Whoa!
Good!
No!
How did he flip back? He's stuck.
Him! Yes!
Yes!
And then this is when it glitched?
What in the fuck?
Oh my god! What the Lift the bed! Hook's meant to go there, guys. I don't
No!
see a little bit wrong about that one. I'm gonna detach him.
He still has me
Hello?
saved as Emily. Hello? Did they get it? Did they end up getting it or no? It was just fucked. Worst timing phone call. Sorry. Oh no.
I'm gonna take a nap right here.
That's so annoying. Get in game? I am in game, dude. I just wanted to see. I felt left out.